Every day, number of people joined the online marketplace, but very soon they exited. What's the major reason behind it? The major reason, as per my own point of view, is this: that for example, if you are working for someone, you create a website, you have to take your money, but at that time, the person who gave you the order didn't pay you anything. So here comes the Claros. What is Claros? I will let you know in this video, and definitely it will help all the communities, especially the freelancers who are working day and night for the betterment of their future, but they didn't get anything. So stay tuned with us if you want to know something more about Claros.
Feel uninvited.
A simple definition of the Claros is a decentralized courts, an open online dispute resolution platform bringing justice for everyone. It's a peer-to-peer network, it's a cryptonomics, then the multi-purpose. Now I will elaborate all the things one by one. A global community of the users serving as the jurors, or you can say the judges. Blockchain and game theory bring fast, affordable, and fair decisions, and the Claros works in a wide variety of the industry. The Claros is one of its kind, or you can say Claros is the world's first decentralized court. Claros is used by the businesses for the arbitration in their contracts. When a dispute is created, Claros selects a panel of the jurors and sends back a decision. And they are not going to take as much money from you. That is a huge thing, that you don't have to wait for the years. For example, you have a dispute and you take that dispute in the court of the Claros, then they will sort it out in maximum 24 hours, and you will get your reward if you are at the right path. So it is entirely very easy if you are also facing these type of issues like the scam issues, or secondly you are facing the issue that, for example, you did any work online for someone and they are not paying you. So you must have to take your case on the court of the Claros, because it is entirely decentralized, and even you also have the chance to join the entire platform of the Claros as a judge. It is entirely very easy. Here you can see the option join as a juror. So you can easily join the platform of the Claros as a juror. And secondly, when a dispute is created, Claros selects a panel of the jurors and sends back a decision. Backed by the blockchain, the whole process is secured and transparent. Now here you can see on the one pager, basically they elaborate all the things, especially they told the major thing that in online marketplace from two different websites, they basically take a simple data and they are telling us that more than 5.1 billion disputes in a year. As the use of internet platforms keeps growing, a large space will keep opening for the dispute resolution. Blockchain can provide the security and transparency for this key part of the infrastructure for the digital economy. Basically, the Claros vision is to democratize access to justice in the digital world, a decentralized court system for the internet age. As we all know, for example, if you are going to take your case to any escrow platform, then definitely they are going to take much amount of money from you. But here comes the Claros. Claros are not going to take as much money from you, only simple percentage. So it's your time to grab the opportunity, because this platform will be huge in the future, and even the big businesses and secondly the big exchanges can easily utilize this platform, because it will be a new future, and especially it will be a huge thing to take the justice in this entire internet world. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button, and really I also love the plan, because I am also a freelancer, so you must have to check all the things about this project. Then you will better understand about this plan. I will share the link in the description. Thanks a lot.